Дорогие друзья, специально для вас было разработано эффективное приложение для изучения английского языка, в котором вы сможете тренировать произношение самых популярных фраз и доводить их до автоматизма. Скачивайте приложение в RuStore по ссылке в описании или на нашем сайте. Послушаем простой рассказ на английском.
Last month, I made a new friend at university. His name is Alex. We met in our first class. He sits next to me, and we started talking. Alex is very nice. He always smiles. We quickly became friends. We like many of the same things. We both enjoy sports and movies. One day, we had lunch together. We went to the university cafeteria. We talked about our favorite sports and movies. We found out we both like soccer and action films. After lunch, we went to the library. We studied together. Alex helped me with my homework. He explained some difficult problems. I was happy for his help. We started to meet often. We have lunch together almost every day. We also study in the library. It is good to have a friend to study with. Alex invited me to his apartment one weekend. His apartment is small but cozy. We watched a soccer game on TV and ate snacks. We also played video games. Alex is very good at games. He won many times. I had fun and learned new things. Sometimes, we go for walks in the park. We talk about our classes and future plans. It is nice to walk and talk with Alex. Alex introduced me to his other friends. They are also friendly. We all hang out together. We go to movies or eat out at restaurants. One day, Alex took me to a soccer game. We watched a live match at the stadium. It was very exciting. We cheered for our team. Alex is a great friend. He helps me and is always kind. We have a lot of fun together. I am glad I met him at university. We share our hobbies. Alex likes to read books, and so do I. We recommend books to each other. It is fun to talk about what we read. On weekends, we do fun things together. We go hiking or visit new places in the city. It is exciting to explore with Alex. Alex has taught me a lot about sports and movies. He knows many things. I have learned a lot from him. Our friendship is growing. We trust each other and enjoy our time together. Alex is an important part of my life. I am happy we met at university. Having a friend like Alex makes school better. We have many good times and great memories. I look forward to more adventures with Alex. I am excited about our future plans. Having a friend makes university life more fun and enjoyable.
Listen to the next story. I really like to eat sweets, so I always have a bowl of sweets on my table. My friends know about this, and that's why when they come to me, they bring sweets. I really love chocolates with nuts, like Mars or Snickers. I usually eat sweets with tea or coffee and in good company. My friends don't really like sweets, so I eat candy alone as much as I want. If I go to the store, I always buy a big cake. I like the cake with honey crust and custard. The store clerk is used to me always taking this cake. He always smiles and tells me that I made a great choice. Since the cake is very big, I invite my neighbors to visit and have a nice time together. Yesterday, I baked sweet waffles and ate them with whipped cream. It's very tasty and very filling. Today, my mother brought me a lot of berries. Tomorrow, I will make jam from raspberries and strawberries. If you also love sweets, tell me what you like. Listen to the next story. Today is Easter holiday. My family makes Easter cakes and colors eggs. Since childhood, my grandmother taught me how to do this. She cooked very tasty Easter cakes. They were very beautiful with a colored top. My brother and I always looked forward to Easter to eat Easter cakes. I ate Easter cakes and drank milk. Now I am teaching my children to cook Easter cakes. We do this together because it's very exciting. My children really enjoy decorating Easter cakes. They invite their friends and eat Easter cakes together. Then the children go to their neighbors and congratulate them on the holiday. Neighbors give them gifts and sweets. I really like Easter, and we celebrate it every year. Listen to the next story. When I was a child, I loved reading books. My dad instilled in me a love for books. I don't remember the name of my first book. But I remember that it was very interesting about two boys. Now I also like to read, but I don't have much time. When my brother was a child, he loved to build houses out of matchsticks. Now he also builds houses, but from brick. He likes what he does and enjoys it. When my mother was a child, she really liked to sew. Now, my mother sews clothes to order. She's good at it because she's talented. When my dad was a child, he loved to play with toy cars. Now my dad works as a truck driver. He makes a lot of money and pays the mortgage on our house. We have a good, friendly family. Дорогие друзья, специально для вас было разработано эффективное приложение для изучения английского языка, в котором вы сможете тренировать произношение самых популярных фраз и доводить их до автоматизма. Скачивайте приложение в RuStore по ссылке в описании или на нашем сайте.